Hello students. So in the previous class we had finished the synopsis of the third chapter of class 12, that is matrices. So in this class we'll be starting with the NCERT exercise problems. So whatever problems we are doing in this session or in the upcoming sessions or in the previous sessions, whatever problems we have done, all those problems are the important ones. Alright, so for example, so we have started directly with second one because second one is important. First one, okay, you can try that. Understood. So let us start with the second problem, exercise 3.1. If a matrix has 24 elements, means what, students? What is this 24 elements? So 24 elements are inside the matrix. Okay. So what are the possible order? So order again, it can have. What if it has 13 elements? So now let us take, okay, right here solution. We'll take how many elements are there in the matrix now. So 24 elements are there in the matrix. Okay. So now what is the order of this? So what is the standard form of order? Standard form of order is M cross N. What does M stands for? M stands for number of rows and N stands for number of columns. Correct? So now can we write 24 in the form of M cross N? If yes, then in how many ways can we write? So just let's have a look at that, students. So 24 means 24 into 1, which is equal to 24. Next, 12 into 2 means 12 rows, 2 columns. 24 rows, only 1 column. 12 rows, 2 columns. Next, 8 into 3, 8 3 is 24. 8 rows, 3 columns. Next, 6 into 4, 6 4 is also 24. 6 rows, 4 columns. Understanding? So next further, 24 into 1, 12 into 2, 8 into 3, 6 into 4. Next would be 4 into 6, which means 4 rows and 6 columns. Next, 3 into 8. Next would be 2 into 12, means 2 rows and 12 columns. And 1 into 24. 1 row, 24 columns. So these are what? If a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order? So all these are the possible orders. Okay, possible orders of a matrix which is consisting of 24 elements inside it. Understood? So what is 24 here, students? When you see this, 24 is nothing but a composite number. Correct? So in the next sub question, what do we have here? What if it has 13 elements? So what is 13, students? Is 13 a composite number? Yeah, it's not a composite number, right? It is a prime number, so 13. So this also we have to express in the form of M cross N, correct? So when you express this in the form of M cross N, what can be written? We can write only 1 into 13, correct? 1 into 13 or 13 into 1. So these are the possible orders for matrix which is consisting of 13 elements, whereas these are the possible orders for the matrix which is consisting of 24 elements. I hope you have understood this, students. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is equal to Aij. Okay. So as we discussed in the synopsis, this is what? Standard form of representing an element of a matrix or entry of a matrix. And what is the capital letter here? That is nothing but the matrix itself, whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So students, which type of matrix we have to construct here? So see here, students. Okay, we have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. So 2 cross 2 matrix consists of how many elements? 4 elements, because 2 2 is 4, right? So let us write. The first element is A11, second element is A12, third element is A21, and the fourth element is A22. How are the elements of a matrix, students? The elements of the matrix are like this, Aij. So now A11 means what can we write? So see here, A11 means in the place of I we have 1, in the place of j also we have 1. Now 1 plus 2 of 1 the whole square by 2. So how much is that? 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. 3 square by 2, that is nothing but 9 by 2. Correct? So A11 is nothing but how much, students? 9 by 2. Similarly, A12 will be how much? I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 into 2, that will become 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. 25 by 2. So here we'll write 25 by 2. Understanding? So in the place of I we are putting 1, in the place of j we are putting 2. Here again, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1 is 2 only. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2. So we'll write 16 by 2 as it is. Even though we can cancel this, okay, we'll not cancel. Understood, students? I'll tell you why. Okay, next is A22. So I is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36. 36 by 2 is 18 actually. So we'll just write 36 by 2. So this is our desired matrix. So construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is our 2 cross 2 matrix. You can also rewrite this how? So you can take 1 by 2 common now. Okay, take 1 by 2 outside. Now you can write 9, 25, 16 and 36. So you write this is also a right answer. You write it like this, that is also a right answer. This is just a simplified form. Understood? So 2 questions of exercise 3.1 we have completed. We'll go to the next important question. Okay, so the next question. Exercise 3.1, fifth one. Same thing. Construct a 3 cross 4 matrix whose elements are given by. So this is how the elements are given. So students, 3 cross 4, right? So what are the matrix? So 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 rows means and 4 columns also. So A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. So these will be what? So 3 cross 4 matrix, right? How many elements? 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the order here, students? 3 cross 4. So you have to construct a matrix 3 cross 4, but what is here? Whose elements are given by, how are the elements given? A, I, J. So I is what, students? So the first one is I, second one is J. So A, I, J is given by 1 by 2 mod of minus 3I plus J. Okay, so for example now, if you want to write A11, so we'll do one thing, students, okay. So A11 will be equal to how much? A11 will be equal to 1 by 2 mod of minus 3 of 1 plus 1 mod again. So minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, mod of minus 2 plus 2, this and this will get cancelled. Therefore, A11 is equal to 1. Students, understood? So like this you have to do for the rest of the elements as well. So what you will be getting here? So again you come here, write the very first element 1. Similarly next one, students, A12. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, correct? Mod of minus 1 is plus 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 only, so write 1 by 2. Understanding? So mental calculations only you can do. Okay, if you are not very confident with mental calculations, then you can write like this. So this will take some time. So just try to save some time by doing mental calculations. Alright. So but be careful. Minus 3 into 1 plus 4. So that will become plus 1. Mod of plus 1 is plus 1 only. So that will again be 1 by 2. So the first row is finished. Now coming to the second row. So minus 3 into 2. So here we will write 2 now. That's all. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Next, students, last row, A31. Minus 9 plus 1. So that will be equal to how much? Minus 9 plus 1 minus 8. Mod of minus 8 is plus 8. Plus 8 divided by 2, 4. Next, minus 9 plus 2. So that will be minus 7. Mod of minus 7 is plus 7. So it will be 7 by 2. Next, 3, 3. Minus 9 plus 3 minus 6. Mod of minus 6 is plus 6. Plus 6 divided by 2, 3. The last one, 3, 4. So that will be minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is how much? Minus 5. So mod of minus 5 is plus 5. it will be 5 by 2. So this is your matrix where the elements of the matrix are in this form. I hope you have understood this. So 3 cross 4, right? Always rows first, 3 rows and 4 columns. So substituting these numbers in these elements, so whatever it was given here in the question, we'll be getting this matrix. Understood, students? Okay, going on to the next one, number 6. So what is given here? Find x, y, z, and they have given 2 matrices which are equal. So what is the order of this matrix, students? What is the order? 1, 2, 3. It's a column matrix, so it's 3 cross 1, correct? 3 rows, 1 column. Same thing, 3 rows, 1 column, 3 cross 1. Okay, so what should we use here? Yeah, we have to use equality of matrices. So we have to equate, students, because the orders are same. Okay, matrix are equal. Now equate them. So you'll be getting x plus y plus z is equal to 9. The next equation would be x plus z is equal to 5, and the next equation would be y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, now see this in the first equation. We already have y plus z, right? And what can we write in the place of y plus z? 7. So we can write x plus 7 equals 9. In the place of y plus z, we have written this, that's all. So x plus 7 is equal to 9. So x is equal to how much? X is equal to 2. We got the value of x. Now put the value of x in this position. Okay, that will be 2 plus z is equal to 5. So therefore, what is z equal to, students? Z equals to 3. Correct. Now we have to find only one value. So x is 2, y is 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So z will be equal to how much? 4. Sorry, it is not z, it is y actually. Okay. So x is 2, z is 3. Y will be equal to 4. Check whether the equations are getting satisfied. X is 2, y is 4, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. We are getting that. Y is 4, z is 3. So we are getting 7. That is also right. X is 2, z is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So these values are right. So what did we use here? We used equality of matrices because the order of the matrices were same. So we equated the elements and we solved them. So we got the values of x, y, and z respectively. I hope you have understood this. So moving on to the next question. Okay, students, the last couple of questions from exercise 3.1. So after this, we'll be starting with exercise 3. All right. So both the questions 9 and 10, whatever we have taken here, are MCQ questions here. All right. So find x and y such that the matrices are equal. So one matrix is given here, another matrix is given here. What is the order here, students? 2 cross 2. What is the order here as well? 2 cross 2. When can the matrices be equal? When the orders are same and also the elements are same. So now for the elements to be same, what should we do here? We have to equate them, right? So just write 3x plus 7, correct? 3x plus 7, that will be equal to what? Corresponding element, 0. So 5 is equal to y minus 2, correct? And y plus 1 is equal to 8, y plus 1 is equal to 8, and 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. So what we have done here, we have taken the elements of this matrix, okay, equated them with the corresponding elements of this matrix. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 0, this, and this. So after equating, if you try to solve them, so solve this, students, first, okay, we'll change the color here again. So if you solve this, send minus 2 to that side, what will y become? Y will become equal to plus 7, correct? Same thing, send this plus 1 to that side, again y is becoming how much? 7. So now you know the value of y, right? So we have to find out the value of x. So from here, I think we can do it. So, or else we'll do it here or here. Any one is fine. Okay, first we'll start with this one. So 3x, so this will become what, students? 3x, if you send it on that side, it will become plus 3. Plus 3 is already there, which is equal to 2. Okay, so take 3 common. So it will become x plus 1 is equal to 2. So x plus 1 is equal to how much now? 2 by 3. And x is equal to 2 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to, again, 2 minus 3 is nothing but minus 1 by 3. So from this equation, we got x value as minus 1 by 3, right? Same thing, we'll do it here also. 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. 3x equals minus 7, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Here we are getting minus 1 by 3, x is equal to minus 7 by 3. So 3x plus minus 7 by 3, 3 cancel, plus 7 minus 7. So this is getting equated. So if you put here minus 1 by 3, so is this getting equated or getting satisfied? You check. So minus 3 of minus 1 by 3, 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Minus into minus is plus, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to minus 7 by 3 is also correct. X is equal to minus 1 by 3 is also correct, because this value is satisfying this equation, this value is satisfying this equation, and y is equal to 7 we are getting. So I think the answer here will be not possible to find. Okay, this will be the right answer. Okay, because minus 1 by 3 not possible to find is the right answer. Moving on with the next question, students. MCQ question, last question of exercise 3.1. Okay, now here the number of possible matrices of order 3 cross 3 with each entry 0 or 1 or. Okay, so 3 cross 3 means what, students? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So students, now understand here, okay, we'll be using permutations and combinations just to get the answer. Okay, so now in this space, what can I fill? What can I fill in this space? I can fill either 2 or I can fill 1, correct? Here, same thing, 0 or 1, 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 same thing for this row as well. So how many matrices can be formed? That is the question here. Okay, so this element can be filled in how many ways? So there are 2 elements which we have, either 0 or 1, correct? So out of 2 elements, we are going to select only 1 element. That is for what? A11. Similarly for A12 also same thing, 2C1. A13 also do same thing, 2C1. So 2C1, so write A11, that is nothing but what? 2C1. And after writing A11, what should you write? A12, 2C1 again, and next A13, 2C1. So this will go until how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3 cross 3. So that is nothing but equal to how much, students? 2C1 whole to the power of 9. Correct? What is 2C1? NCERT formula. So the answer is 2 only, 2 to the power of 9. What is 2 to the power of 9? 2 to the power of 9 is 512, and this will be your right answer. Means there can be formed 512 matrices if you fill each element of the matrix with either 0 or 1. Understood? So any doubts here, you can just let us know by commenting in the comment section. So this is the end of exercise 1.1 for class 12 chapter 3. We'll be continuing with exercise 3.2 in our next